Hello, welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Hope you guys are having a good day. So today we'll be making one of my famous dishes that I'm kind of sort of known for because I always do a lot of Thanksgiving, uh, Thanksgiving, and we just had Thanksgiving, well, American one, and Christmas is coming up, and those are the times where I make a turkey stuffing. And usually when I make my turkey stuffing, I actually don't stuff it into the bird. I actually just make it on the side. So don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, which is this little button in the corner there. You can hit that one to subscribe. Yeah, just and get down below and leave me a comment. Let me know how your day is going, and give me some feedback. Be cool. Positive feedback is good. Try to keep it pleasant if you can. Yeah, but give me some feedback on how you like the videos. Maybe a little bit of what you don't like, but let me know. And let's get started with our stuffing. And just a reminder with this recipe and all the recipes I post, if you look down in the description, you'll have everything that you need to make each dish is down below. So really important thing, don't forget that. So when you go shopping, just grab your little shopping list and write all those ingredients down, just down in the description. I always, each video I post, I always tell you exactly what you need for each recipe. So hope you enjoy. Thanks. So our pan is nice and hot. So I'm going to toss a little bit of oil in there. Not a lot, just a little bit. Let that heat up. You can use mild. I always use for my turkey stuffing. I always use mild Italian sausage. It's always a good one to use, and it's usually if you go to your local butcher or the meat department there, you can always find the ground sausage meat, and you can also buy the mild Italian sausage that are like in the casing, and you can take it out yourself. So just a little few tricks. Yeah, we're just gonna saute this sausage up. As you can see, our sausage is just kind of fried up there. This is a sausage meat that's already pre-seasoned, so you don't, we'll adjust seasoning like at the end of the dish, but you don't have to put seasoning into the actual sausage meat. So as you can see, the sausage meat is all nicely browned up, so we're going to toss it into our pot that we're going to make the stuffing with, and then we'll saute some onions and some herbs and stuff, and then toss that in there, and then with the stuffing, and I'll show you how we prepare that. Ooh, into the pot. All the yumminess in there. Ooh, yeah, perfect. A little bit of pepper, salt, gotta season those onions. They don't come seasoned, so saute those up. Adjust my heat a little too hot. I caramelize them, not burn them, so just kind of caramelize up. Again, a little bit of. Yeah, so the onions are looking pretty good, so we'll add some garlic. Garlic in there. Fresh herbs. That's rosemary, sage, thyme. Throw a little bit of that in there. Saute it up. And then Yeah, I just want to kind of sweat it out a bit. You'll kind of it'll start to smell all pretty. It's really good, so really nice. And then toss it into the pan. Yeah, and I'll take the mushrooms a bit. Mushrooms don't come seasoned. Pepper, salt. Well, there's a little bit of salt from the can, so a little bit of seasoning won't hurt. Good. Into the pan. Take another pot. Add our breadcrumbs. I just buy the breadcrumb cubes. I'll buy that in there. The whole thing. Chicken stock. Put that in there. Stir it all up. Yeah, we'll check the seasoning once we get all this. Once you'll see the breadcrumbs kind of start to soften up, and then we'll add some seasoning. Add some more rosemary, sage, and thyme, the good stuff. You'll notice the breadcrumbs will soak up all that nice liquid. Yeah. Stock. Mix. Oh yeah, it was looking like a good stuffing. And normally what I do is I take the. Usually when I make the turkey dinner, I'll take this and I'll add the some juices to it. And I always do that at the end, right? So usually once the turkey's in the oven, the first thing I do is like prepare the stuffing, set that aside, and then like when it comes to serve, I just dump some more, heat it up and dump some more turkey juice on there, and then it's like ready to go. Yeah. That's kind of the way I've always done stuffing. You can stuff it in the bird, but it's I've heard too many horror stories about that, so I just sort of decided earlier on that I'd always make it a stuffing on the side as opposed to inside the turkey, and it does the same thing because you can just add the turkey juice in there, and you won't even know the difference whether it was stuffed in the bird or not. So, kind of a personal preference, I guess. Yeah, because there's a lot of safety concerns, especially in a home kitchen. So that's why I personally don't stuff a turkey, because a lot of things can go wrong. So, and then we're just going to check for final seasoning. Get all the ingredients in there and give it a taste. Yeah, that's a really good seasoning. I might add a little bit more pepper, but other than that, the salt is there. So this is Beaumont's holiday or Christmas and Thanksgiving stuffing that I'm quite famous for, and I always take it to. Anytime there's a turkey dinner, I always make this, and I always take it to friends' places when they're doing turkey dinners, and I've always gotten really good compliments about this one, so I thought I'd show you my version of turkey stuffing. And hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe right there, and don't forget to like the little picture of me right there. Subscribe, and hope you had a good day, and thanks for watching.